Hi folks, Marty here, and today we're going to take a look at the wee song Enjoy Yourself, and it's in the key of A. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as a wink. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as a wink. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. So there you have it folks, play it through at its normal pace, okay? In this next section we're going to slow it down and show you the rhythm and the chords used in it. Okay folks, so in this section we're going to have a look at the chords and the rhythm, but don't forget, if you're getting a lot out of these videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell for notifications of future song updates. Okay, so kicking off, we're going to look at the chords used in this song. First up, it's a 3-chord song, which is always handy, and it's starting with your A chord. Change to your E7 chord. And then you've got your D chord. Okay, different ways to play the D. You can play it with your first 3 fingers. Don't forget to look at the wee chord chart. I'll show you where to put your fingers. The fingers you use are they're the numbers at the bottom of that little chord chart, by the way. The numbers down the side show you what fret you should be playing in. Okay, so that's one way. The other way is play it with your last 3 fingers. And if you've got big chubby hands, you might want to think about this chord here. You're basically barring the top 3 strings in the 2nd fret and using either your pinky or your 3rd finger to hold down the first string on the 5th fret. It's a nice easy way to do it too. Okay, so that's your 3 chords. So now you've got your rhythm, and you'll be glad to know it's a rhythm we seem to use quite a lot on here. It's the Island Strum Part 2, which you'll also see in our other videos, showing a bit more detailed look at that. But it's the down, down, up, down strum, okay? Island Strum Part 2. Okay, so down, down, up, down, okay? That's kind of strum. But starting on your A chord, okay? Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Change to your E7 chord. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Change to your D chord. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So folks, in this section we're going to play through the song a wee bit slower for you. So if you're coping with that okay, go back to the part 1 and play it through at its normal speed with me. So here we go. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as a wink. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as a wink. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. So what I've did with this song, I've just taken the chorus of it, and for me that's the most enjoyable part of it. And I've just played it through a couple of times. But in the songbook, or in the main song, we'll sing it multiple times, but we'll do an instrumental, and then we'll do a round of it a cappella, or acapulco as some people refer to it, and then we'll finish on the chorus once or twice, depending on how the mood takes us. So folks, have a wee go at that, and remember, keep strumming and keep her lit.